Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, March 25th, and I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. We have no economic news releases scheduled for today, but the rest of this week will be a busy week. It is very volatile. We do have the GDP numbers coming in, the final revision for the fourth quarter. We have the consumer sentiment, consumer confidence coming in later on. We have durable goods orders. So we got a couple. Home data coming out, so housing data coming out this week. So be prepared for a pretty volatile week. But today, basically, well, we'll jump right over to it. Stock market's currently down, or up. It's actually currently down. My apologies. It started the morning up, but then recently took a turn, and it's all down right now. And it's all right now. There's a last-minute Cyprus deal that was struck. A lot of the stock market is playing off of what the Cyprus information came in, as well as some of the corporate returns, earnings reports, and for example, BlackBerry came in a little bit less, came down a little bit because I guess there was some tepid reception towards their new Z10 cell phone. So different things like that that's affecting the equity market. But let's talk about the Cyprus deal. What happened? They struck a last-minute deal with the European lenders, international lenders, and what they're going to do is they're going to get the 10 billion, but it won't be coming out immediately. They did go ahead. They're going to hold the deposits of 100,000 euro plus, hold those, and they will be taxing those. They didn't exactly go into details as to how much they'll be taxing those, but those are what they're doing. As well as it will be restructuring, as well as of their banking system over there. So they're going to basically take the Laika, the two largest banks, the Laiki and the Bank of Cyprus, splitting Laiki into a good bank and bad bank. The good bank will be merged in with the Bank of Cyprus. The bad bank will be phased out over time. So there'll be some restructuring going on over there. This kind of unfortunately, a lot of investors feel that this is bad precedent, as typically you have the FDIC and types of here in the U.S. type of insurance or governments step in, and never have we had them coming in and taxing depositors. So this is kind of setting a bad precedent viewed by many out there, and we'll have to wait and see, because obviously this could happen to others as it comes up in the near future. But the good side of this is that Cyprus doesn't look like they're going to default. They're not going to leave the European community. They're going to remain part of it. So that would have put the worst case scenario into effect, but this is not the worst case scenario. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the bond market and see what's going on here. We started the morning off much lower today, but we are up above where we left off on Friday. So we're currently at 102.94 versus the 102.84 we left off. So we started the morning off with worse pricing, but as we've reached the mid-morning or reaching the mid-morning portion, we are basically showing some price improvements course of the day. We'll have to wait and see if this maintains itself. We're starting to run up on the ceiling, so we don't know if we'll be able to pull above it or if we'll have to drop. But a lot of it's going to remain how the investors go on there. Again, this is going to be a very volatile week. Be very cautious. We do have room to drop. We could be reaching that 102.20 level as we saw about 2 weeks ago. So be very cautious this week. All right, folks, but we're seeing an improvement so far this morning on the interest rates and the pricing on the interest rates. You guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.